Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Genie from the movie Aladdin. So let's start by drawing his nose and just curve out and back in. Kind of a longish nose. So right above this will be his right eye, and we're just going to draw an oval that goes upward and down. So we'll have him looking down, so we'll draw his pupil right here at the lower left. And just on the other side then we also have his left eye, so we'll draw the full oval and again go right into the pupil. Under the nose we'll go ahead and get started with the upper part of his mouth, and it just curves up, and his cheek actually kind of looks like his nose, so we're just going to draw a line that goes out and back in, and we'll do the same on the other side where the line comes out and back in. So you can see it looks like there's three noses here, but they all have roughly the same shape. So right underneath this left cheek, we're going to go down for the outer part of his mouth, go back in and over. So down and over, just past the nose here. So underneath the right cheek then we'll draw a line that comes out just a little bit and then goes down for the outer part of his teeth. And just step over to the left and draw another line for the lower teeth. So now we can draw the teeth separation line, and we'll just kind of make this line a little bit thicker here as we come out to the right side here, and draw a few short lines to show some teeth separation and make it shorter as you go over to the left side. Alright, so let's go ahead and work on the top of his head. Just to the left of his right eye, we're going to go up for his brow and over, and then we're going to go back up for the top of his head to the right. So let's draw the ear then. Go from here, draw a line that goes up to the top of his ear, curve down and start coming back down. Draw the inside of his ear with a line and then a curve. Just a couple lines immediately shows that it's an ear. And then let's draw an earring that goes out and over with a line. We'll make this a little bit thicker, thin initially, and then give it some thickness. So now we can go ahead and draw the chin. The chin goes from here, goes down in a big curve, so he's got this huge chin. So we'll try to target right down here where my finger is. So we're going to go down first with a big curve down to where my finger is, and then start curving up just past the teeth to the right cheek. Let's put in his eyebrow and just make this basically thicker here and tapered, and we'll do the same on this side but a little bit higher. So just a crescent shape, tapering at the ends. Fill that in. So at the top of his head he's got this ponytail. Draw a line just like this with a curved top, straight lines on the side, and we'll draw the hair. Go up, over, back, over, and then start heading back to the top. Now he's got a beard that starts here, goes down to the chin, and we'll go ahead and make that thicker as well. So go down, meet the chin, and now we'll make this, give this some thickness like that. and we'll actually make this thicker down this way. And let me just go ahead and start filling this in now. So it gets thicker right here. And try to fix this curve a little bit. So let's finish this beard by going down this way and putting a curl right here. Go back over, start making it thicker, and then meet up with that initial part that we had filled in. So let's draw his left arm. We'll go ahead and start from his jawline. We'll draw a curve that goes out. And then from here, we'll draw the inner part of his forearm by starting right here. Go down it to meet this line and then curve in. Draw his hand. Starting here, let's just draw down to meet that line and then up. Start curving in for his finger and in, and then right just behind this is another finger, roughly the same shape, and one more step in this way. Draw the last finger, curve out, paying attention to the thumb, and give the thumb some form. Draw a couple short lines here for the fingernails, and there's your hand. Now let's draw the outer part of his forearm. It's just gonna go step out, it's gonna curve out to about where my finger is and then start curving in. So we've got this arm thickness, so it's gonna come out right about here. So let's just draw a curve to where my finger is and start going in. Let's give him a bracelet, just a curve that parallels the bottom part of his hand, and draw a couple lines for some detail. Now his belly, gonna move this a little bit. His belly is gonna come out to about here. We're gonna go from here over and come this way. So from here, meet that line for the arm and start heading out to the left. Okay, right here we're gonna draw the other hand. So right just to the left of this curly Q, let's draw a line that goes out this way and then over for the first finger. Just to the right we've got this other finger and one more finger over and draw the thumb. Again, we'll draw the fingernails. Let's draw the outer part of his right arm. Starting from his jaw, we're gonna go out this way and then back to right about here with his hand. So starting right here, let's curve out first and then back to the hand. Same here, let's give the forearm some form. Starting narrow here at the wrist, we're just gonna go out and in. Again, a bracelet with a couple short lines for some detail. Next, let's draw a line here for the thickness of his arm, just like that. And now we'll draw the inside part of his body. So his body's basically will be going out this way. So here's the outer part of his body and the inner part will be right here. So let's draw from here on behind the thumb and curve back out. Okay, so now this will continue behind the hand and curve it this way, and this will be his belt, and give the belt some thickness right here. So that's the body. Let's just put a line here for to indicate his chest. And now behind here then will be a trail of cloud. So the way we're gonna do this is just these curves varying in size, and we're basically going this way to the left. So just vary the size of these little curves as you form this general line that goes this way and disappears. So let's start from here. Initially it's narrow, and then it gets bigger, wider, and I'm just doing these random curved lines coming over here. Alright, so we'll draw some random C-shaped lines then on the inside to give this cloud area some form. And these are just short curved lines, and that should pretty much be it. I'm going to go ahead and make some of these lines a little bit thicker just to give it some variety with my thicker marker. So what I did here was I made some of these lines thicker, kept some of the detail lines thinner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.